To this computer, even menus.
Hi, this is Dr. Robinson, and today I'm using an AI math program in a browser called Mathkicker.AI. I'm using JAWS. You can use NVDA also. You can use your broad display. You can use auditory exclusively also based on where you are in the world. Lots of options here. So this is college level or advanced math level. We are talking up arrow.
College level math with misspelled LaTex.
Okay, so LaTeX, that is what we're using today, and I'm going to show you how quick this math problem can be. Now, if you look for my other videos on high school and actually going each step at a time, matrices is just Alt-M, which is very easy also, and you do need to learn all those steps, but once you get into college, your math professor just wants to see the work done. Here we go.
Cursor needs to be off.
Yep, that cursor needs to be off whether you're using NVDA or JAWS.
Blank. Blank.
And I do know I have to up
Blank.
arrow and
Home. A.
home
Blank. Alt equals.
all equals. So if your lines are not reading, make sure you hit home, then up and down arrow, and it will read. Okay, so let's listen to our math problem first. And I'm just going to control end. Actually, I'm not going to control end because I have math way down below.
Blank. Blank. Find the matrix C such that C equals AB.
Yeah, I'm going to just start with the directions. And now I'm going to up arrow to my math problem.
Blank. Graphic B equals graphic matrix 1 and 3. Graphic 1 and 2.
Okay, every once in a while it'll read you the braille dots. If it does, just hit F9, and of course it gives you the beautiful attack of it.
Blank. Graphic dot 6. Graphic dot 1. Graphic braille space. Graphic braille space. Graphic dot 5. Graphic dots.
There you go, and it's giving you all those braille dots. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to hit F9, and that takes me into the all equals basis.
F9. Enter the expression equation modal
Up
dialog.
arrow?
Equals misspelled matrix 2 and 4.
Okay, and what you need to do is you need to hit home, you need to right arrow through all of this if you don't know the code well and you want to learn it. If you do, you already know it's just not reading everything. If you have a braille display, it spells it out beautifully.
Home. A.
Okay, A.
Space equals space backslash.
Of course, we know the text starts with backslash.
Misspelled A.
Oops.
M.
M.
A. T. R. I. X. P.
If you forget your P,
Papa.
the paragraph, the parentheses will not show up.
Left parent 2. Space and space 4. Backslash.
Okay, we know backslash says go to the next line.
Backslash blank 1. Space and space 2. Right parent blank.
Okay, what you're going to do, because you have to do C equals A plus B, do a Control A and copy out the LaTeX.
Selected. A
Copy,
equal.
Control C.
Copied.
Escape.
Escape main region. Edit.
Now we
Type
go.
and blank. Graphic B equals graphic matrix 1 and 3. Graphic.
Okay, I don't need to listen to that. I already have. I'm going to hit F9.
F9. Enter the expression equation modal
Up arrow.
dialog. B equals misspelled matrix.
Okay, I already know what it's going to say because I already heard B equals and it told me 1, 3, 1, 2. I'm going to hit my home.
Home. B.
I am going to
Bravo.
because A needs to go before B. I'm going to control V.
Pasted.
And I want to do a plus
Plus.
in between the LaTeX. Okay, up arrow and listen.
A equals misspelled matrix 2 and 4.
Okay, and down arrow.
1 and 2. B equals matrix 1 and 3.
And down arrow again.
1 and 2.
Okay, and I want to just total it up right here. So I'm going to do plus, and it's going to be plus C,
C.
Right? That's our information.
Equals.
And then just type in your LaTeX.
Backslash A R I X.
Make sure you remember your P.
P.
Okay.
Matrix.
What's
Left
also
parent.
nice about this is I can up arrow and I can quickly look at the math one more time to make sure I'm totaling this up correctly.
1 and 2. A equals misspelled matrix 2 and 4.
Okay, and I need to go down to B.
1 and 2. B equals matrix 1 and 3.
Okay, so I'm just totaling that up. Okay, so 2 plus 1, that's 3, and 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, I'm going to handle that first.
1 and 2. C equals matrix.
Okay, and I know I want to go ahead and have
3, comma.
And I want to do, and wasn't that,
comma.
See, that's the problem with videoing and doing math at the same time.
And
I want to go ahead and put a, what was that again? Oh, yeah.
1 and 2 equals 1 and 2. B 1 and 2. C equals matrix
again,
3 and.
There's the problem with doing video and math at the same time. I go
7.
7. I need to say go to the next line.
Backslash.
Just for, once again, I'm videoing and doing math at the same time. I'm going to just double check those numbers.
1 and 2. B equals matrix 1 and 3.
Oh, that's easy.
1 and 2. C equals matrix 3 and 7.
Okay, so now we know it's going to be, let's go ahead
Space.
and put parent in there.
Left parent 2, comma 4.
4. And once again, whoops.
4, comma. 2.
Problem with doing
Left parent, comma, 4,
viewing and
blank.
math at the same time.
Right parent,
Okay, and go ahead and put your parent in there. Oh, yeah, see, I made another one. And that was common.
right pair, 4, comma,
Yeah, let's get rid of that.
4, and.
Okay. Once again, put your fingers on your brow display. If you've got one, you can double check your work. Don't video or don't try to video while you're doing math also, because of course I'm consumed with the next step of what I need to do. Okay, but double check to make sure your math is
1
correct.
and
Up
2 A
arrow,
equals misspelled matrix 2 and 4.
2 and 4.
1 and 2 B equals matrix 1 and 3.
And I'm going to focus on the 1 and 3. And then, of course, I heard 1 and 2, so I can focus on
1 and 2 C equals matrix 3 and 7 2 and 4.
yeah, 1, 1, 2, 2. We love that. 2 and 4. Okay, so
End blank.
hopefully when I hit enter, all of this comes out just beautifully.
Enter main region. Edit type and text.
And oh my gosh, so gorgeous. I can hardly stand it. Here we go.
Blank. Graphic A equals graphic matrix 2 and 4. Graphic 1 and 2 B equals graphic matrix 1 and 3. Graphic 1 and 2 C equals graphic matrix 3 and 7. Graphic 2 and 4.
Yep. And of course, you can hit F9 at this and you can go ahead and look at it again. But it is just beautifully written out, LaTeX, so incredibly fast. So you could do any math using all equals, type out your LaTeX, and of course, you have all your answers here. And the other lesson, you can go to your tools and you can actually upload all your math work to this document and then just start using your all equals, typing out your LaTeX and finishing math very quickly. So typically this is college level and also very advanced math school, math students in high school. Okay, hope that helped you doing a nice little LaTeX lesson using Mathkicker.AI.
Alt Q, enter.